Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Okay? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, all you need to do is just close the Snapchat app. Now, once done, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. As you can see here, I have my Google Chrome opened. But what we're going to do in here is just tap on the URL box. Now type in help.snapchat.com and just hit on go. All right, or hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and scroll down, okay? And then find or wait for this option to pop up, okay? All right, once that's done, scroll down and find contact us, okay? Tap on it. And here it says submit a request. All you have to do is just select a request, or maybe tap on I need help with a Snapchat feature. Now in here, don't select I want to change my username, okay? Select any other reason like camera right here, okay? Editing a snap. Now it will show you contact Snapchat support right here with the blue button, okay? Just tap on it. Now here you have the official submit a request page. Now all you have to do in here is just select what is your question about, okay? Just select a random one, for example, editing a snap. Now enter your username, make sure that you remember your current username, okay? Now enter your email address and then the description. In here, we're going to add maybe, hi, Snapchat support team. I would like to get help changing my username, but I cannot wait for another year for that to happen, okay? I admit, just to type it down, I admit that I have made a poor choice and enter this username or current username, okay? I would love to change it to type down the other username again, okay? Or the username that you would like to use. And then at the bottom, just type in, I promise I would not, or I will not do the same mistake again. All right. You can go ahead and add in more if you want to, or if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some or more account details like your birth date so that it will be easier for Snapchat support to locate your profile. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on submit and wait for Snapchat support's reply. And that will be on the email that you provided in here. Okay. Open that email, and then from that email, go ahead and follow their instructions, and once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.